Greeting to all the viewers. FireShark welcomes all its viewers in today's video. Today we will discuss about application layer. We have already discussed about the previous layers in the OSI model. Now today our topic is application layer. So these are the objectives we will cover in this video. Application layer enables the user, whether human or software, to access the network. It provides user interface and support for services such as electronic mail, remote file access, and transfer share database management, and other type of distributed information services. The application layer is responsible for providing services to the users. As the figure below shows, the relationship of application layer to the user and the presentation layer. One of the many application services available, the figure shows only three: message handling service, directory service, and file transfer, uh, access and management, which is also known as FDAM. The user in this example is an employee using application layer to send an email. The application layer is the topmost layer in the open source interconnection model, uh, open system interconnection model, which is also known as OSI model. This layer provides several ways for manufacturing, for manipulating the data information, which is actually enables any type of user to access network with ease. These layers also make a request to its bottom layer, which is presentation layer, for receiving various type of information from it. The application layer interface directly interact with applications and provide information common web application service. This layer is basically highest level of open system, which provides services directly for application processes. Application layer provides a facility which users can forward several emails to its and it also provides a storage facility. This layer allows users to access and retrieve and manage file in the remote computer. It also allows users to log on as remote host. This layer provides access to global information about various services. This layer provides services which include email, transferring files, distributing results to a user, directory service, networks, resource, and so on. It provides protocol that allows software to send and receive information and present meaningful data to the users. It handles the issues such as network transparency, resource allocation, and so on. This layer receives the window for users and application processes to access network services. Application layer is basically not a functional but not a function, but it performs application layer functions. The application layer is actually an abstraction layer that specifies the shared protocols and interface method used by host in communication network. Application layer help us to identify communication partners and synchronizing communication. This layers this layer allow users to interact with other software application. Now we will discuss about some of the functions of application layer. It basically interacts with OS and thus further preserves the data in suitable manner. This layer also receives and preserves data from its previous layer, which is presentation layer. In this layer, data is in visual form, which makes the user truly understand data rather than numbering or visualizing the data in the binary format, that is zeros and ones. The protocol which are used in application layer depend upon what information user wish to send or receive. There are several protocols which are used by the application layer. Some of them are Telnet, DNS, DHCP, FTP, SMTP, HTTP, NFS, SNMP. This application layer in general perform host initialization followed by remote login to hosts. Specific services provided by the application layer includes network virtual termination. A network virtual termination is a software version of physical terminal, and it allows a user to log on a remote host. To do so, application layer creates a software emulation of a terminal at the remote host. The user's computer talks to the software terminal, in which in turn talks to the host and vice versa. The remote host believes in communicating with one of its one terminal and allows the user to log on. Another another function of application layer includes file transfer, access, and management. The application allows a user to access files in remote host, make changes or read data, to retrieve files from a remote computer or for the use in the local computer, and to manage or control files in remote computer locally. Mail services. This application provides the basis for email forwarding and storage. Directory services. This application provides distributed database sources and access for global information about various objects and services. Now, as we have covered all the layers of the OSI model, mm, we will also discuss about the summary of the OSI model. The figure shows the summary of each layer. Application layer, it allows access to the network resources. Presentation layer, it translates, encrypts, and compresses the data. Session layer, it enables the session, and it establishes, manages, and terminates session. Transport layer, it provides reliability process to process message delivery and error recovery. Network layer, to move the packet from source to destination, to provide inter-networking. Data link layer, it organizes bits into frames to provide hop-to-hop delivery. Physical layer, it transmits bits over a medium to provide mechanical and electrical specifications. That's it from today's video. We will discuss about TCP/IP model in our next lecture. Thanks for watching.